After a long gap, Reed's Biology is back again with NEET classes. If you missed previous videos of Animal Kingdom, don't worry. Check description box for links. Today, I'll discuss different classes of vertebrates. Vertebrata are divided into two different types: Agnatha, which lacks jaw, and Gnathostomata, which bears jaw. Agnatha has one class, Cyclostomata, and Gnathostomata is again divided into two different types. Pieces, they bear fins, and Tetrapoda, they bear limbs. Pieces has two classes, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes, and Tetrapoda has four different classes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammals. Today, I will discuss about these three classes, Cyclostomata, Chondrichthyes, and Osteichthyes. So, let's start. Starting with class Cyclostomata. They are ectoparasites on some fishes. They have an elongated body which bears 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits for their respiration. They have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. They are agnathotype without any jaws, so don't have any jaws. Their body is devoid of scales and paired fins. Their cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. They don't have any bones, but they have cartilage. Their circulation is of closed type. They are marine, but they migrate for spawning to fresh water. After spawning, within a few days, they die. Their larvae, after metamorphosis, return to the ocean. What is metamorphosis? It is a change in the shape or characteristic of an organism as it grows and matures. In some animals, like insects, they have one kind of body when they are young and a different kind of body when they grow adult. The change of the process from young one to adult form is metamorphosis. Some examples of cyclostomata are Petromyzon, lamprey, myxine, or hagfish. The next class, Chondrichthyes. They are marine animals with streamlined body. They have cartilaginous endoskeleton. They also don't have any bones, but they have cartilage. Their mouth is located ventrally, and notochord is present throughout their lifetime. Gill slits are present and separate without any operculum or gill cover. Their skin is tough, containing minute placoid scales, and their teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. They have jaws because they are Gnathostomata types, which have jaws. And they are predaceous. They are predators. Due to absence of air bladder, they have to swim continuously to avoid sinking. Their heart is two-chambered, with one auricle and one ventricle. Some of them have electric organs like torpedo. Some of them have poisonous sting like trigon or stingray. They are cold-blooded animals, and the term is known as poikilothermos. They lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature, so they are cold-blooded or poikilothermos. Their sexes are separate. Male and females are distinct. And in males, pelvic fins have claspers. They have internal fertilization, and many of them are viviparous. What is viviparous? That means giving birth to living young within their body rather than laying eggs. So, all the mammals are viviparous, like us, or other mammals, like tigers, elephants. They give birth to young ones. And all the birds, they lay eggs. They are oviparous. Some insects, some reptiles are also oviparous. Nearly all the mammals and some reptiles are viviparous. That means they give birth to young ones, not lay eggs. And oviparous, they lay eggs, like the majority of the birds. Some example of Chondrichthyes: Scoliodon, a dogfish; Pristis, a sawfish; Carcharodon, or the great white shark; Trigon, a stingray. The next class, Osteichthyes. They include both marine and freshwater fishes with bony endoskeleton. They have bones and not cartilage. Their body is streamlined and mouth is mostly terminal. They have four pairs of gills covered by an operculum on each side. Their skin is covered by cycloid or tenoid scales. Air bladder is present in them, which regulates their buoyancy. They can float without swimming. Their heart is two-chambered, with one auricle and one ventricle. They are also cold-blooded animals or poikilothermous. Their sexes are separate and their fertilization is usually external. They are oviparous, that means they lay eggs, and their development is direct. Now we'll give some example of bony fishes or osteichthyes. Some marine fish example: Exocetus or flying fish, Hippocampus or seahorse. Some freshwater fish: Labio, Katla, Clarias or magur fish. These fish are also known as catfish. Some aquarium fish: Betta or fighting fish, and Pterophyllum or angelfish. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Rates Biology if you like my videos. In the next video, I'll discuss about other four classes of vertebrates. See you then. Bye bye.